Here's a quick video on how you can download and install Bloxstrap. So I'm just gonna go into Google and I'll search for Bloxstrap, and we want to click on this first link here. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see this. Are you ready to try out Bloxstrap and see the difference for yourself? Download it now. Once we click on it, it will refer us further down the page, and just click on this big download button. And we are just gonna click again on download Bloxstrap, and it's gonna show us all of the different versions here and the updates. Now find it in your folder, and we just want to double click on it and install this application. So it's gonna look like this, integrations, and we can choose what we want to install. So I'm just going to choose like this. And we can also choose where we want to install it here, the install location. If I click on install, before you install, after we will register it as an application in the start menu. So we can just click on install here, and it's going to install Roblox along with Bloxstrap. So it's going to configure this. So just give it some time, starting Roblox. And you will be able to see the immediate difference after we have installed Bloxstrap. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.